Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How have you been? I optimistic that you are passing a very good time with your friends and family. And Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So right now, I am sitting on the chair, and at this time I making video. Actually, uh, whenever I come this place is also there is no any hustle and bustle same as before. So that's why I have decided that I should make a video. Actually, you know that every day I try to make video, and video making is a very good for spoken English. If you want to learn English, I told you many times in my previous video, if you want to learn English, so that's why you should make video every day. It can remove your shyness and hesitation as well. So if you wanna feel like that whenever you try to speak with others at this time, you feel like that you can't remember anything, you can say anything. So that's why if you are feeling like that, so you should make video every day. After that you feel like that you don't have any hesitation, you can say anything like a pro speaker of English, like a fluent speaker on English. So that's why I recommend you you should make video every day for your spoken English and for your fluency. So inshallah, if you can follow these rules, you will be a very good speaker in English within very short time. So just practice every day and make video every day as well. Inshallah, it will help you a lot for your spoken English. No more today. Allah Hafiz.